In today's online business building tip for entrepreneurs, I'd like to discuss the topic of retargeting, and I want to approach it from a beginner standpoint. A lot of advanced marketers are making a lot of money from this concept of retargeting, but let's get into it for beginners because this is the kind of thing that beginners leave on the table because they believe it's too complex or they don't fully understand it. If you're doing any sort of online traffic generation, purchasing traffic, driving traffic, you absolutely need to stick the retargeting pixel onto your website and begin retargeting your visitors immediately. First, let's talk about what retargeting is. And it's the process of tagging a web page visitor that's essentially visited your web page after clicking on an ad, and then following them around the internet, continually showing them an ad or offer you want them to act on. It's as simple as that. And it's much less expensive than the original ad. So you get the original ad, you might even pay a premium price to get that person to your webpage, and then you can retarget them for literally pennies and follow them around. Again, continually showing them your ad or offer. Let's talk about how it's done. What happens is you use an online retargeting service, and I'll give you an example. One is called adroll.com, adroll.com. You use that service to create the follow me ads, and they then provide the retargeting code that you place on the web page of your choice. Now, here's a little side note, which I consider a retargeting trick. You notice before I just said that they give you a retargeting code, or pixel is what they call it, that you put on a web page your own. One advantage of being on my email list is I show you how to retarget visitors to websites that you don't own. That's a very powerful tactic, and you'll find that most people can't do retargeting unless they own the page. But if you're on my email list, I show you how to do retargeting without ever having to own the website you originally send your traffic to. Very powerful. In my eyes, there's two types of retargeting. One is worldwide retargeting, showing your ad on almost any site that accepts it. And then there's Facebook retargeting, in which I prefer news feed retargeting as the best option. You can do Facebook retargeting in the sidebar, but I prefer news feed retargeting. I've had the best success from doing that. And in conclusion, why do retargeting? The point is the average person needs to see an offer or ad 7 to 10 times before they act on it. Retargeting allows you to do this in a cost-effective way. Instead of the main expensive ad source, you use that to then get them to your page, retarget them, and targeting people who have already shown interest in your original ad is extremely inexpensive and powerful because, like I said, it takes 7 to 10 times before they act. To get access to all of my helpful business building videos, simply move your mouse down below the video, and just underneath the published on date, you'll see a link that comes directly to my website, and you can get access by clicking that now. I'll see you on the other side.